Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to play multiplayer with friends on Off-Road 2. Quick one guys, make sure that you've opened up your Google Play Store. After that, go ahead and add your friend's profile. Then go ahead and ensure you follow them back. Now quickly, step number 2, launch the Off-Road game. Open the game and then log into your profile. Then go ahead and verify your online status. This means you're enabled to show others that you're online. Now after that, open the multiplayer mode, then tap to play on the main menu, then select multiplayer. After that, choose the custom create or create room. Now for this case, it's better to create a public room or private room, then create a password. Now share this password to your friend and then let your friend join your room. After that, you play with your friends, obviously. So basically that's it guys. Thanks for watching.